Hey guys, today we're going to look at a BRUDER Mack Granite dump truck. That's model 02815, and it comes in royal blue for the cab, and the dump bed is in a bright yellow. I bought this truck for my son, and before he gets to play with it, we're going to take a closer look at it. It is a BRUDER, so you know its quality. Here it is in the box. This particular item is ages 3 and up. It does have small parts that can be a choking hazard. I think what they're referring to are the side mirrors that potentially could come off, and some of the other detail work on the truck. There you go, just like the real thing in Spanish and German. This truck is made in Germany, and as I said, it's ages 3 and up. So let's go ahead and open it up. Check it out. The truck feels very heavy. The plastic feels pretty solid, so if you have a younger kid, they're going to be able to bang it around and should be able to take quite a beating. It does have the tailgate on the dump bed, which most dump trucks for children do not have, so you can put any kind of dirt, rocks, trash inside there. The detail work is just amazing. You look down here, they have the Mack mud flaps. They even have a license plate. Some of the tail lights are on there. All these stickers are on there right out of the box. The tires feel very solid. They have some rubber. They have a rubber feel to them. And even when you turn the truck upside down, you can see the axles and work on the undercarriage of the truck. So they pay attention to detail. They really have all the details down. The exhaust pipes there, the side mirrors fold out. Doors open up. Just have a little piece of plastic tab there that should come off. Take a look inside the truck. Front grille looks just like a Mack semi truck. And you look, the hood ornament, they even have the Mack Bulldog. Incredible. A lot of chrome, so it's nice and shiny. The hood has a couple of tabs there that secure it to the truck, but you should just be able to pop those off and you can get a look at the engine inside. Pops right up. You can take a look. They Even have a realistic engine block in there. Pops back down, you can secure it. Let's take a closer look inside the cab here. I don't know if you can see that, but they're on the floor. They have the bulldog paw prints on the floor of the truck. Not sure if real Mack trucks have those. Pretty detailed. There's the Mack emblem on the steering wheel. And then you can check there's a gear shift, some other stuff in there. Very realistic, very detailed. A lot of attention to detail. That side mirror pops out too. Sometimes it took a little wiggle to work it out. And yeah, the chrome exhaust pipe, really amazing. Not sure what this thing is. It says for accessories. Not sure. Not gonna take that off. I'll let my son do that when he reopens it. Give you a 360 look there. And when the truck rolls, you can feel the weight of the truck. It's a good solid truck. It's not as solid as like a steel Tonka truck, but it's pretty solid. So let's do some measurements here. From front to back, the truck's about 21 inches long. It's about 9 inches off the ground, 9 inches high. And it's about 7 inches, yeah, about 7 inches wide. So it's a big truck. The wheels with the tires are going to be about 3 inches wide. And it's about 2.5 inches clearance off the ground. So chrome air horns. A lot of cool chrome detail work. And the dump bed, when it flips up, it secures in place and clicks in place, and you can click it back down too. It has 2 positions. And that's about it. Thanks, guys.